Foolish Rabbit. A short moral story. In a peaceful forest, there lived a rabbit named Coco. He was quick but very careless. He often ignored advice from older animals, thinking he knew everything. One day, Coco saw a ripe carrot field on the other side of a deep river. I must get those carrots before anyone else, he thought. A wise turtle nearby warned him, the river is deep and dangerous. Be careful. But Coco laughed. I'm fast. I don't need advice. He jumped into the river without thinking. The current was strong, and Coco struggled. Help! He cried as he was swept away. Luckily, the turtle swam over and pulled him to safety. Shivering on the shore, Coco whispered, I should have listened. The turtle smiled kindly. Speed is useless without wisdom. Next time, think before you act. From that day on, Coco became wiser, listening to advice and making better decisions. Moral: overconfidence can lead to trouble. It is always wise to listen to good advice before making decisions. Thank you for watching.